guys, so I totally forgot to film an intro for this little mini vlog, so here I am. If you guys don't know, my name is Angel. Comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, this vlog is a little different. Guys, let's just remember that I'm new to this. I'm not true to this yet, but it's gonna get better, so just enjoy this little vlog and there'll be more to come. So I'm walking to, that's cute, my little sauna session. That's what it looks like.
Did you find parking?
Yeah, found it. Do you need a mask in here?
Nah. It's your first time, right?
Yes. So it's a little dark in here, but I'm trying to show you guys. This is the infrared sauna. It's so cute. It's hot. I'm about to get in and I'm gonna show you guys my little experience. Maybe I'll show you guys like the place as well. It's kind of small, but I'm happy I did it. It was only $16, which is so cheap. So yeah, show my face on screen if you guys can see me, because they only have like this one light. I guess I'm gonna get naked now and get in here. I have an hour, and I'll tell you guys the benefits of it when, I'll tell you guys the benefits of it when I guess I get out, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm in the sauna, as you guys can see. I'm gonna keep my bra on because, I don't know, I just have like a towel and a bra on. I'm not gonna show you guys. Here's the little remote. Ooh, they have different colors. I did the red because I want the infrared, obviously. Okay. Dang. Okay, so let me show you guys like inside. That's the little temperature thing, if you guys can see. That's a little screen. I don't know if you can like watch TV. But yeah, okay. It's warm. I think I'm gonna turn the heat up because I'm not sweating yet. I'm perspirating, but not sweating yet. But I guess I'll check in with you guys when I'm really I sweat. I'm about to get under the light because I really want the old squeaky. Yeah. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna do this again. I don't know how many times, maybe once a week. This is nice. I love it. Y'all, I figured out how to work the screen. It's not TV, but it's internet. So I'm gonna be watching my little YouTube channels because I still have 46 minutes. So I'm like, okay. One of my favorites, Jayla Corian. So I'm gonna be watching her new video. Y'all, I'm about to just sit up in here and relax now. I'm excited. It's a little low. All right, I'll get back to y'all because I'm about to watch my shows, okay? Bye. I don't know if y'all can see me, but I'm just giving a little update. I have to pull the hair up, y'all, because I'm sweating. You can see the shininess. I'm still watching my YouTube. Now I'm watching Glamazon Tay. This is what the temperature is on. The highest that it's been on so far was 145. I have 9 minutes left. Whew, I'm sweating. I think I'm definitely gonna do this like once a week because I've already drank 1 bottle of water. When I get up out of here, I'm gonna drink another one, and I'm gonna be drinking water all day because I definitely already feel dehydrated. I had to get out and drink a bottle of water because I was getting a little lightheaded, so I only got out once. You can do exercises in here. I'm gonna show you guys that next time because I don't think I was ready this time, but next time I'm definitely gonna do like the exercises, and I'll talk to you guys when I get out. All right, I just left the little infrared sauna, so they have like other things there. I'm definitely gonna like try the other things. It's so freaking cheap, like $15, and they have like a membership you can get like 10 for $100. I don't know, I probably do that. But anyway, now I'm on my way to get a smoothie from this like little vegan place. Hold on, guys, when I tell you every crevice of my body was sweating in places that I've never sweated before, like guys, I'm driving, I'm not supposed to be doing this. Like my kneecaps were sweating. My kneecaps ain't never sweated before. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but y'all feel me. And listen, I'm about to do this because, listen, my birthday is in August, and then my graduation is in December, and I really got to get it together. So I'm about to really be on my whole wellness, fitness journey. So, yeah. All right, I'll see you guys.